Okay, today's the day we get the boat ready. Hopefully it won't be too long. We'll get back out there on the water. Okay, so that's that rack. It keeps the cord out of your way. And then your fishing rods. Fit right in there. There it is. Put your fishing rods in. Tow strap off a snowboard. Slides in there and you just tighten it up. And your rods aren't going anywhere. Close up of that bungee holding that rack down. This is one end. The other end hooks to the battery. And this is the end I spliced onto my new trolling motor, which I bought a couple years ago. And then that way, you just plug it in, and you're going. And if your battery dies when you're fishing, you unplug it, plug it into the other battery. I run a 2-battery system. Replaced the prop off the new trolling motor. I didn't like the new prop, so I put a 4-blade on there. Works pretty good. So now we're going to strap that down. The trolling motor's all set up. Now we're going to take and put the other rack on the other side with the second battery cable. That too is also plugged in. So we'll get that hooked up. Not going to take very long. Alright, now we're done. We got the other rod rack in, wire strapped down. We got the seats on her. Back. Got that launch rope right there in the bucket, along with a landing glove. Anchor rope in the back. Trailer pin in the front. And that's it. All we need now is water. Probably another 8 weeks. Nothing like being prepared. Have fun on the water. Stay safe, y'all.